Welcome back, guys. Thank you for joining my channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. So I want you to know this channel is just for you to know what exactly you need to know and need to read in order for you to pass your exam in anatomy. So thank you for joining the channel once again. This is part 2. This is episode 1 and part 2 of bones of the upper limb. So in this episode we are going to talk about the clavicle. And what are we going to learn here? We are going to learn what clavicle is, what is it used for, and the clinical correlation of the clavicle. Clavicle is also known as a collarbone. So in this episode we are going to see the part of the clavicle and the use of the clavicle with the clinical coloration of the clavicle. And in that clinical coloration we are going to talk about the fracture of the clavicle. So thank you for joining my channel once again. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. We are going to give you a lot of more videos to let you know what exactly you need to read as a new medical student. The bony landmark and articulation of the clavicle.